Climate change, how it affects our daily life. Mostly in Pakistan, increasing threat to our daily lives. It results in rising temperature which can lead to incidents of world fires. Food security is affected due to degradation of agricultural land and changes in rainfall patterns. There is also an increased risk of severe weather events such as floods and hurricanes that badly affect the soil surface. These impacts make us realize that dealing with climate change is not an option but necessary to ensure that the sustainability of our planet for future generation. Thanks. Because climate change badly affects our future generation.